If you're looking to update your W-4 form for married filing jointly, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. I'll take you through all the details. So let's get into it. So I actually found this guide on ramseysolutions.com. So you can actually just jump into it. You can check it out on Google. You can just Google Ramsey Solutions, and they give you a rundown of what the W form is actually used for and how you actually fill it out. There's actually an example over here, and they really do give you a full-on guide with as much information as you could possibly imagine. Okay, so if you need to reference this, I would say jump in here and reference this website while you are filling out your W-4 form. As you can see here, there are 5 steps, and you need to go through the steps one by one. The first step involves your personal information. So this will be first name, second name, social security number, and then also your address, and then your marital status. So in this case, we are using the married, filing jointly, or qualifying surviving spouse. Okay. Then steps 2 to 4, you'll see over here, it says it only applies to you. Okay, so otherwise, if this is not for you, if it's not your W-4 form, then you need to just skip all the way down to step 5. But we're going to go through all the steps. So step 2, it's got to do with your work. So all you have to do is go ahead and check this section over here. So it says if there are only 2 total jobs, you may check this box. You're going to do the same on the form W-4 for the other job as well. And then this option is generally more accurate than option B. And if your pay is the lower paying job and it's more than half of the pay of the higher paying job, this will be more accurate. Okay, so you're going to go and read through these 4 options and see which actually apply best to you. Here you claim dependent or other credits over here in step 3. So if your total income will be $200,000 or less, of course $400,000 or less if you're married filing jointly. Multiply the number of qualifying children under the age of 17 by $2,000. You'll add that in over there. And over here, multiple number of other dependents by 500. And then you will get your total over here. Step 4 are any other adjustments. And this is an optional step. So if there's nothing in this section that you really need to fill in or complete, then you can leave that blank. It's other income, deductions, and extra withholdings. Then step 5, you have the signature, employee signature, the date, of course, and then the employer's name and address. And of course, this is employers only. First date of employment, and then your EIN, which is your employment or employer identification number. There you are, you're done. As I said, if you want any more information, you can just run through this website. They've got tons of information, and it's really, really helpful. I hope this was enjoyable.